G'day YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to scan documents in Linux Mint 13. Now, in order to do this, it's actually pretty simple. And the great thing about Linux Mint and Linux in general is that it has great hardware support for really the larger portion of scanners out there. The older they are, the more likely they are to work, but definitely a lot of the new ones work as well. Now, what you have to do is first plug in your scanner, of course, as you probably already have. Then go to your applications menu and search out for something called Simple Scan, which should already be there by nature on your Linux Mint distro. If not, at the end of the video I'll show you how to install it. But go to Simple Scan first, and it will open up a nice little page. It's quite simple, but it really does the job quite well. Now, I unfortunately don't have a scanner plugged in right now, so it's not the best way to explain this, but with the drivers, it installs them instantly. It seems like on Linux Mint and all Linux distros for that matter. And basically, yeah, you'll notice that the scanner is there, and you can start scanning straight away. There's a little scan button, and click scan. Now, after that's done, you can save it in a myriad of file formats. What I have done in the past is I've saved it as a JPEG or a PDF. Just type in the file format that you would like to save it as. Those are the two most common formats generally. In fact, I would probably go with PDF on that one, .pdf. Now, that's pretty much it, guys, and that is your file. Just save it to wherever you want to save it, and you can scan just like that in Linux Mint. And I just love the fact that it's not like Windows, how 99% of the time you don't really have to install any drivers. It works instantly. I mean, why doesn't Windows work like that? I don't know. But you know, there's a lot of issues. That's a pretty loaded question, really. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Now, for all the people that don't have Simple Scan in their applications menu, I'll quickly show you now how to get it. Now, I'm guessing that if you don't have it, then you have an older version of Linux Mint. So type in sudo, go open the terminal, first, and type in sudo apt-get install xsane. There we go. Throw in your password, and that's a few megabytes, and that will install. And after that is installed, you go to your applications menu, as I have done before, and go to graphics, or wherever it may be, and you'll see Xscan image scanning program. Open that, it'll do pretty much the same thing. That one is a little bit more advanced, and not advanced in a harder way, just it has a few more little features and things like that, but it's really running the same thing. Alright, cheers guys, I hope that's been of some informative help to you, and yeah, hope you enjoyed. Cheers.